Hello. So today I'm going to show you the functional IKEA kitchen hack. This is a kid-size kitchen that you get from IKEA, but it is for pretend play. But we converted it into a functional kitchen. So I will show you one by one. So the first tab, the older one, this had artificial gas stove and two buttons. So we removed that part and we placed the wooden board here, and basically we stick it so it's not removable. Saarth uses this to just stand here with his chopping board. He cuts the vegetable. This is his water bottle. We always keep it here so he knows where to go to drink the water. This is the first cabinet. We did not do much here, but these are his baby size utensil, child safe knife, his rolling pin, and all the other cutleries. So it's here. He knows the place for everything, and then he gets it. I have not decorated this much or not added more utensil here. I will add it as and when he will grow up. Another thing is we got this from second-hand marketplace, so it was dirty here, and it had a wooden this kind of a surface. So we got this lamination paper and we stick this lamination paper on top of it, so it looks like it's a marble, but it's the wooden. Now this part, so the sink. So it had artificial tap and there were definitely no holes. So we converted this into a working sink. So when you press here, the water will come out and then it will go through the drain. And this is how it works. He can wash his hand, he can wash fruits and vegetables as well. Now, how did we do this? So this is a magnetic lock, child safety lock, because we did not want him to open this. Okay, yeah, so this is the magnetic lock. Okay, I used the normal milk container, and this one had the clean water in it. So this tap will suck the water and it will give from here. This is chargeable, so it has a USB port here, so if you need to charge it. Second, so we put holes here and then we place the funnel here, and there is the container which takes the dirty water. So yes, you have to change this regularly, both of the water tanks, and you close it. I also placed a small hook, and then this is to hang his small napkin, and this is how it looks.